Today I plan to explain English sentences along with there is Hindi translation. First one, I have come to know that you are coming. मुझे पता चला है कि तुम आ रहे हो. I have come to know that you are coming. It means this person knows. This person knows that someone's arrival. Someone is going to visit that place. This information, this person know. This person knew that. That is what it means. So someone is going to come visit that place. That information this person has known. अब सबको पता चला गया है. अब सबको पता चला गया है. Now everyone has come to know. Now everyone has come to know. Now all of them have got this information that someone is, if we relate, if we take this sentence along connecting to this second one, then all of them had this information. All of them have got this information that someone is someone's arrival. That is how we consider. That is how we can consider. If we connect this sentence along with the second one. Now everyone has come to know means अब सबको पता चला गया है. All of them were knew that. And third one, I have come to know everything about him. I have come to know everything about him. Some information about someone, this person came to know that he knew now. He has known some information about someone. Earlier, he might have known before. Now, he has come to know things about someone. मुझे उसके बारे में सब कुछ पता चला गया है. मुझे उसके बारे में सब कुछ पता चला गया है. So this person knows everything. Now he came to. Earlier he might have not know about this person, but now he got to know everything about someone. This means this person might not know anything about before about this person, but now he knows everything. That is what it means. Earlier he didn't know anything about someone, but now he knows everything. He knows all of everything related to this person, to whom he is talking about. That person, about that person he knows. मुझे उसके बारे में सब कुछ पता चला गया है. Earlier he didn't know, but now he knows about this person. And fourth one, तुमने कैसे पता चला? तुमने कैसे पता चला? How did you come to know? How did you come to know? So someone is asking, how did you know about everything about someone? If we connect this thing to this one, so how did you come to know about someone, everything about him? That is how we can take and connect this question to this one. How did you come to know? Someone is asking, how did you get about him, about that thing. That is how we consider, that is how we think. How did you come to know? How did that person came to know about something? If he doesn't relate with this, connect with this question, so it means like it can be anything about something, how that person knew how that person knew about something, how he got information related to something. Fifth one, अगर अगर पापा को पता पता चल जाएगा तो वो मुझे मारेंगे. अगर पापा को पता चल जाएगा तो वो मुझे मारेंगे. If father comes to know, he will beat me. If father comes to know, he will beat me. Something about something. If his father, if his father knows some information, then what his father does, his father going to beat this person. In regarding which thing that is talking about, don't know, but he tells that if this person father knows about something, is going to beat his son. That is what it means. I hope you understand this sentences. I try to read Hindi, but Hindi is not my mother tongue. But if there is any mistake that you find, please excuse. And I love to speak Hindi also as like English. Hindi is also my favorite language. Whenever I get chance to speak, I also speak Hindi. Thank you. I hope you understand. Thank you. Bye for now.